Are you looking for the best steam mops for hardwood floors? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best steam mops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Bissell PowerFresh Slim Hardwood Floor Steam Mop 2075A. You get 3 machines in one when you purchase this slim steam mop for your home, and it delivers a superior clean on and above your floors by effortlessly converting from a steam mop into a handheld steam cleaner that can cover a range of surfaces quickly and easily. You can use this product on all sealed hardwood floors like granite, linoleum, ceramic, hardwood, and marble without worrying about damaging them, and you get an on-demand steam trigger that lets you dispense the perfect amount of steam to meet your cleaning needs. You also get a host of useful tools that you can use on the handheld steam cleaner or on the mop without a problem, and there is a handy toolkit that allows you to effortlessly carry your tools with you as you work. There is a very slim design on this steam mop with a low profile and swivel steering to help you maneuver it easily around your furniture or home, and you can also get into tight spaces like along your baseboards, under tables, or under furniture without a problem. There is an included wall mount kit in the purchase that makes it easy to hang your steam mop up and out of the way when you finish with it, and you get an extra long 25-foot power cord to help extend your reach. At number 2. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner Multipurpose. Dupray offers a high-quality steam mop that gives you superheated steam when you use it in a short amount of time to help boost how nicely it cleans and kills germs, bacteria, and viruses, and you get a very generous 2-year warranty from the date of purchase to protect you from defects. It can easily dissolve thick stains on anything from bathroom walls and grills to faucets using the 275-degree steam, and it takes roughly 7 minutes for the 1.6-liter tank to fully heat from cold. You'll be able to clean for up to 50 minutes on a single tank fill, and it gives you 50 psi of steam from the nozzle. You get several types of cleaning tools that allow you to use this steam mop on upholstery, carpets, and a range of smooth surfaces to get a thorough clean without any damage, and you get several metal brushes and a microfiber pad that you can easily wash between uses to have it last longer. There are 3 additional extension wands in each purchase that extend your reach up to the ceilings, and you get a 16-foot power cord with an integrated cord wrap to make storage easy. At number 3. Bissell Symphony Steam Mop 1543A. This steam mop offers a dust-sifting cyclonic function with a heating mechanism that will create steam within 30 seconds on flipping it on to ensure you can get started on your projects quickly and easily, and you get fingertip controls that allow you to choose low steam, high steam, or with or without suction. There is a squeezable trigger that will release the steam when you need it on demand, and you get 3 types of cleaning pads that measure 11 inches each when you order. You can add a Bissell scent disc into any of the pads you use to leave a fresh and clean scent in your wake, and it's lightweight enough to easily pick up and carry up or down your stairs. You get a 25-foot power cord on this steam mop that extends your reach while ensuring that you don't have to unplug it and plug it into a new outlet every time you move rooms, and there are turning hooks on the product that allow you to unwind the cord quickly and easily. There is a filter-equipped dirt cup to hold dry mess residue with a 12.8-ounce water reservoir that is sealed off from it, and the cup has a top lever with a hinge to empty it without having to touch anything. At number 4. Bissell 1806 PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop. This steam mop from Bissell is very lightweight and easy to maneuver or carry up and down your stairs at just over 6 pounds, and you get both a brush and a mopping pad to scrub away at stubborn stains on your sealed surfaces. This mop will help to get rid of 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and germs when you use it due to the hotter steam output without adding any chemicals, and you will leave a light fresh scent behind as you pass this mop over your floors. There is a high and low steam setting that allows you to tailor your output to match your needs. This product will heat the water up and start producing steam in just 30 seconds to ensure that you can start cleaning straight away, and you get a wider 12-inch cleaning path that reduces how many passes you have to make to clean your floor. It has a 12-amp motor that works for light or heavy-duty projects, and the water tank has an easy fill design with a measuring cup included to ensure you don't make a mess when you fill it. At number 5. Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System and #40, S5003D and #41. If you're after a stick-style steam mop that does well on hardwood floors, and is lightweight enough to easily maneuver around furniture or other items, this is a solid choice. It has a very simple and straightforward design that is very user-friendly, and you can pick from 3 different steam settings when you use it to tailor it to your needs, including high, low, or medium. There is also a steam blaster right above the mopping pad that will spray hot steam directly onto the floor in front of the mop with the press of a button to ensure that you get a thorough clean without having a lot of excess water on the floor. You get a 220 milliliter water tank capacity that allows you to clean decently larger areas without having to stop and refill it halfway through to help you finish faster, and the intelligent steam control system allows you to apply the perfect amount of steam based on your cleaning project. You won't need to add harsh chemicals into this steam mop to get a high-quality cleaning device, and you get touch-free technology that makes it easy to adjust your settings as you work. At number 6. Light and Easy S3601 All-in-One Steam Mop. The final steam mop on the list comes from Light and Easy, and it allows you to quickly and easily steam clean your hardwood floors, upholstery, carpets, clothing, mattresses, glass mirrors, and much more without any damage. It only takes 30 seconds for the mop to start generating steam once you fill it and switch it on so you can clean quicker, and you get an 11.8-inch wide cleaning path with this product that reduces the number of times you have to make passes on whatever you're cleaning. You get dual reusable microfiber pads that are easy to clean and work well on a range of sealed surfaces, and you can pick from 3 different steam settings as you work with the highest setting allowing for 25 minutes of continuous cleaning. You can release a handheld portion to clean up with a push of a button, and you get a flexible hose that allows you to reach into tight areas with ease. There is also a triangular attachment that works well to clean upholstery, and there is a tapered nozzle to clean hard surfaces quickly.